Welcome to EngravedDominoes.com. Today's tutorial is going to be on creating your own custom box. As you can see, we are right here on our homepage, EngravedDominoes.com, and over on the right-hand side you can see Browse by Categories. Going to go down to double six boxes and select that. As you can see, we have a few double six boxes available for your customization and personalization. And we are going to start with the very first one here, the double six Shisham box. Click on the Customize. The picture of the box will show up in the center of the screen. And over here on the right, you will see that it says change this text to your own on a picture of the box. I'm just going to scroll up just a little bit. As you can see, there is no add to cart button. That will show up automatically as soon as you customize your box. So I'm going to select change this text to your own. You can either triple click right in the text and type right on the screen, or you can choose to go down here to this little pop-up menu and edit the text. When you edit the text, you can change it to anything you want. I'm going to change it to my dominoes and hit the back. Then you can select the font. We have a whole bunch of fonts, so feel free to check out each one. I prefer something more of a scripty font. Play Ball is a really nice one. Script MT Bold is also a very nice script font. I'm going to choose Play Ball, and then I'm going to hit back. Got to hit back after each element so that you can see this little pop-up menu. You can make it bold, italic, underline. You can do a text alignment where you center it or move it to the left or right if that is what you prefer. Text transformation with the capital A and the little a means I want to make it all caps or all smalls or mixed case. I'm leaving it at mixed case. Then transform is the next button I'm going to go to. There are two little dots here. The first dot allows you to make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. The second one allows you to rotate it. And since it is on a very long box, I'm going to leave that at 0. Hit the back. And then as you can see, the Add to Cart button showed up. You can simply add that to your cart, and we will personalize, engrave your box just for you and have it on your way within 1 to 2 business days. Thank you very much for watching our tutorial video, and please visit us on EngravedDominoes.com. Have a great day.